Hi, Paul.schifferdecker here from MarineMax, beautiful lake of the Ozarks, alongside 2019 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. If you like what you see here today, go to YouTube, click on the link and subscribe. One of the reasons I wanted to start down here is we don't get to see what's under the water. The keel, the running strakes, that radical deep V. We don't get to hear this. You pound on other boats, they're hollow. This is solid as granite, the Rock of Gibraltar. The dive door here, patio door, swim door. It also makes boarding very easy for everyone from the pier. So there's a lot of popularity in this this Outrage dive door. These plates here, which serve as the tab, just with very little touch, keep everything solid, level. And of course the ride, this 33 Outrage, it's one of those boats, again, it's the unsinkable legend, the Boston Whaler. Whenever you rise up over that big chop or that big wave and you're waiting for that impact, it just never comes. Let's go inside and take a look at her. Here we are above this beautiful aboard this beautiful 330 Outrage. She's 33 feet 1 inch overall and a 10-foot 2-inch beam. Weighs about 12,500 pounds. That's with the engines. Still a very solid ride. Everybody knows about its fishing prowess. And again, the ride is second to none, foot per foot. But also, this boat facilitates, it's a social charmer, I'm going to say. With the features that it has available, it really offers a lot of entertainment capabilities, from seating, from the chaise lounge, to the seating in the nose, to the sun area, to the cavernous storage below. The quality and craftsmanship is second to none. These boats are really designed to be generational, able to pass down from grandfather to son to grandson. As we move our way aft, here again is an example of the dive door, which I've opened, and I wanted you to see the quality and construction of these hinges. That really explains the quality and construction that goes into every single part about the Boston Whaler. Look at that lever. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. The quality, one at a time, made by hand, second to none. We've got transom seating here. We've got 3 across at the helm. We also have seating available on this leaning post. There's 4 different options of seating and what you can get on the leaning post. This particular one is set up for, what did we say, entertaining. You've got your grill, you've got your wet bar, paper towels, everything to spend a day out on the boat. And if you happen to land a fresh fish, just throw it right on the grill. There's nothing better. These transom seats all easily fold up for while you're underway or while you're dancing or landing a fish, whatever you like. Over here, you're going to see an expansive, easy to get in and out of head. Again, quality to last wherever you go. It's a boat that's easy to maintain. You hose it, you're ready to go. Solid combing cushions. You've got a refrigerator under the helm, bolsters that go up and down, so whoever's at the helm can set the seat however they like it. Storage up here for your curtains. Even the glove box up here serves as a rear view mirror by design. A vent in the top of the window with a concave effect to it to bring even more air in. Everything Boston Whaler does is truly thought out for your enjoyment and your family's enjoyment on the water. We've got twin 300 Mercs that power this particular vessel. It also comes with twin 350s There's a couple mile-an-hour difference on the top end, a little bit more hole shot. I can't tell you enough about this unsinkable legend. Come and see for yourself, take a ride. That's going to tell you more than anything that I can or anyone here. Again, my name is Paul at Lake of the Ozarks. My number's 573-525-1129. Give us a call, give us a try, you'll be glad you did. Look forward to seeing you on the water. Thanks for your time.